Hi, I'm Naomi, aka the Wonkie one from Wonkie Art, and today we are continuing our first Ukiyo adventure. We have coloured in our squares, so we've designed our own butterfly or made some of the South Australian butterflies. You can follow those videos if you haven't done that step. And today we're making those squares into origami. There is one critical step in the folding, which is when you fold the first fold together after you've done all your base folds, your back body needs to join up. I will point it out in the video so that you know that you've got it right. So the origami butterflies are going to be featured in artwork for SALA 2020 and will go on display at the end of August. So I need you to send me the squares or butterflies that you've created by the 24th of August. Just care of the West Beach Post Office. The address is in the links or on your templates that you've got via the mailing list. Good luck with your origami, and I will see you on the other side.
Start with the white side of your paper. Fold your square diagonally in half in both directions, matching the corners and creasing the folds. If they don't match, you can roll the paper between your fingers. Fold the square in half in both directions, horizontal and vertical, unfolding in between. Make sure that your creases are sharp and that your corners match. Next, we're going to fold each of the corners into the center, making sure that these are square and that the folds are sharp. You want to adjust each of the points into the center, matching the patterns if possible. With origami, a critical point is we don't want to overlap those edges. Unfold all of the corners. Now we start the butterfly. We want to fold the edge into the center from both sides and make sure that it's the body in the middle. Now we're going to fold the bottom to the center and the top to the center, making a little square. We're going to grab the corner and pull it out and allow the folds to go the opposite way for each of the corners and recrease them in the opposite direction and adjusting when necessary. Make sure all your folds are strong. Flip the model over and fold in half. Make any necessary adjustments. To make the wings, we're going to take the corner and pull it into the center on both sides, matching the body in the middle. To create the detail on the wing, we're going to fold at this line towards ourselves and then reverse it the other way so that our colored triangle ends up on the front. Readjust if necessary. Fold on the other side towards yourself and then fold back and readjust if necessary. To create our body, with the front of the butterfly facing us, we're going to fold it in half, and then along the body line we're going to fold the wing back, flip the butterfly over and fold on the other side, matching the wings to each other. Pinch the body together and your butterfly is complete. Southern Purple Azure Male. Southern Purple Azure Female. Caper White Dark Form.
So welcome back. I hope you managed to fold your butterflies and yeah, next step, send them to me. I can't wait to get them in the mail. I do need these back to me in the West Beach post office by the 24th of August, which gives me a few days to attach all of the butterflies that have come in to the artwork and get it on display by the 31st of August. The next adventure that we're going on will be repurposed art. At the end, you will see the repurposed sculpture. So the repurposed sculpture is going to have some wire from the fire zone and plastic bag, and of course your butterflies. Okay, so the next video is going to be worms. We're going to be repurposing some wool and beads and paper. So wool and beads you can get from the op shop. I will put a link at the end for the paper. You're gonna, if you don't have beads at home or you haven't been able to get the op shop and find some beads that are the right size, you can make your own, which is fun. So I'll put the link in the end for a video that I made, which is paper beads, and before next week you can make some paper beads, and then next week we'll make them into worms. You can also use the beads to make bracelets and necklaces and whatever you want. It's just a video to inspire you to use other items, repurpose, recycle, reuse, and change them into art. So I will see you for the next adventure.